2012, 14 years ago, we started Sparrow on 7th of August. And it was me, few GTs, we started it, we got first client. And what we did, we understood a hell lot of manufacturing. We walked the floor, we created a number of reports. Today, we stand at 600 plus clients in totality. Around 3 years ago, we started selling softwares, and those softwares are just not mere softwares. We built the world-class tech as Sparrow Infinity and digital twinning AI, Gen AI, and whatnot. In tech alone, we now cater around 10,000 plus sites, active sites on our softwares. Around 70 clients on using our core tech into manufacturing, EHS, and ESG. That was never possible without the support for everyone, at Sparrow. That every team member who is currently working with us we have ever worked or crossed paths to each other. And the second most thanks goes to the clients on the other side of the table. That's a huge thank you from all of us. That it's your trust that made it possible to what we are today. Let's see how the next 3 years for Sparrow, goes with, and we are very hopeful that we'll be one of the leading companies across globe selling tech and services from India across globe. Thank you for the support, and we wish that you continue your support.